Hello everyone, today we will make a home sweet home canvas art with acrylics. So before we start, there is a big announcement that there is a September month contest in which you have to visit and subscribe my channel, grab a video, share that video on Facebook or Insta, and then you have to share the link or the screenshot of your post, and the one who will get the more number of likes and shares on your post will win a exciting Fevicryl gift hamper. Now for the base color, apply yellow ochre color and then trace the design, or you can draw it and then outline everything with burnt sienna. Now take your lemon yellow color and start making one more thick line using a 4 number round brush on the roof. Now take your burnt sienna and your 0 number brush and start making the slant lines of the roof. These lines can be a little thick. Now take your white and purple color and mix a baby purple shade and apply it in the roofs. And if you don't have any of the materials, then all the materials are linked in the description box. Also visit my website, linked in the description box. And if you want to know more about the contest, then everything is there in the description box. And also comment me below that did you like this painting or not, and which type of art you want to learn. Now take your old brush and start dabbing with the green and all the shades of green you have. Also dab a little with red and pink so that it looks like there are flowers in it. Now once all this is complete, take your yellow and brown color and mix the floor. Now let it dry, and now once it's dried, we will draw a cycle over here. So take your black color and 0 number round brush and start outlining your cycle. The upper portion will be a little thick and the tires will be a little thick. Now take your purple color or white color and outline it again. Now it's ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Also share it with your family and friends.